Hey folks, you guys want to change hood hinges on a Rav4? Okay, watch this. It's hidden in here. You can get to that bolt, okay, which is a 12 millimeter, and there's one all the way in the back. In order to get to the one in the back, you have to remove at least this part of the fender up out of the way so you can bend it. So, right here, there's a little cover. Take a little screwdriver and pry it out. There's one of your 10 millimeter bolts. Then over here, there's a little elbow rubber cover. Just peel that back off, up out of the way, and there is your other 10 millimeter bolt. That actually bolts onto the hinge itself. On the fender itself, there's a bolt here, and a bolt here, 10 millimeter. Take that off, and this whole top of the fender will peel just enough so that you can get to that other 12 millimeter bolt. Okay, so you're back there. Once you get off that bolt and then this bolt, then there's two other 12 millimeter bolts here. Remove your rubber hose from here. Okay, and then there's a little clip here. Just squeeze a little tab in the back and get that clip off. Of course, the driver's side does not have that clip. All right, that's how you take the hinge off. All right, I'm going to do it the way I did it. This one, I supported it with the rod. I got a 2x4. I held it onto this latch over here to hold it, and then I put another little small 2x4 over here so that the hood doesn't fall and hit the windshield. All right, there's a little 2x4. Let me show you the hinge. Here's one of the hinges here. The problem with this one was it had a little tiny accident. You can't really tell unless you have a new one. But if the hood ever gets bent and pushed back, this right here gives in. This little curve will give in. See it right there? You can see the stress right there. Okay, once that gives in, the hood becomes short and it doesn't close and hit the radiator support because the hood got pushed back towards the windshield. All right, that's it. A little work, but it'll do. Oh, here's the one. I had it right in front of me. All right, same thing. Both hinges, you can see it's pinched right there. Okay, that's where it folded in. Right here, got pinched in. Made the hood a little shorter, and that was the problem. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.